Hello students, welcome to a new video lecture of second chapter Life Processing Living Organism Part 1 Class 10. That is, today we are going to discuss about the process of glycolysis was discovered by three scientists, Gustav Abdin, Otto Meyerhof and Jacob Parmes, along with their colleagues. For this purpose, they perform experiments on muscles. Hence, glycolysis also called as Embden-Meyerhof-Parnas pathway or EMP pathway. The cyclic reactions of tricarboxylic acid cycle were discovered by Sir Hans Krebs. Hence, this cyclic process is also known as Krebs cycle that we have discussed in previous lecture. He has been awarded the Nobel Prize in 1953 for this discovery. Energy production in the microorganism through anaerobic respiration. Some organisms cannot live in the presence of oxygen. Such living organisms have to perform anaerobic respiration for energy production. Glycolysis and fermentation are the two steps of anaerobic respiration. Glucose is incompletely oxidized and less amount of energy is obtained in this type of respiration. Pyruvic acid produced through glycolysis is converted into other organic acid or alcohol with the help of some enzyme in the process. This is called as fermentation. You must write down this point. Some higher plants, animals and aerobic microorganisms also perform anaerobic respiration instead of aerobic respiration. If there is depletion of oxygen level in the surrounding, example, seeds perform anaerobic respiration if the soil is submerged under the water during germination. Similarly, our muscles cells also perform anaerobic respiration while performing exercise. Due to this, less energy is produced in a body and lactic acid accumulates, due to which we feel tired. You are running at the thousands of feet. When you are running at that time, you need a high breath. With intestine, exercise your muscles want more and more energy, but your heart and lungs can't keep it up. In that respiration video, we discover the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. And afterwards, we are going to see this aerobic respiration in detail. Sometimes animal and plants can't get oxygen in sufficient amount at the time of exercise because heart cannot provide this sufficient high amount of oxygen to our body. So luckily वहाँ पे एक बैकअप प्लांट होता है, वो होता है एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. इसमें हम लोग अभी आगे इसमें यही देखने वाले एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन एनिमल और प्लांट के बारे में. पहले हम लोग एनिमल देखते हैं. एनिमल चीता बहुत ज़ोर से भाग रहा है, बट एट द टाइम हार्ट्स एंड लंग कांट कीप इट अप. वो कीप अप नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो इस वजह से उसके बॉडी में एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होता है. अब उसका एक इक्वेशन बनता है. एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन का इक्वेशन क्या बनता है? ग्लूकोज गिव्स लैक्टिक एसिड प्लस एनर्जी. इसमें ऑक्सीजन का कोई भी रोल नहीं होता है. एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में ऑक्सीजन का कोई रोल नहीं है, बट एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में ग्लूकोज प्लस ऑक्सीजन लगता है, जिसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर प्लस एनर्जी मिलती है. एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में कम एनर्जी मिलती है और एरोबिक में ज़्यादा. अब इसमें एनारोबिक में सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि लैक्टिक एसिड का, क्योंकि ये इट्स अ पॉइजनस एसिड. व्हेन इट गोज़ इन द बॉडी एट दैट टाइम muscles can't work. Because of that we'll get the muscle cramp. So at that time we'll take the oxygen inside the body. So replacing the oxygen has to break it down into lactic acid, into the carbon dioxide plus water. At that time we have to deeply breathe at the time of exercise. These things are also happens with the plants too. When we spread the seed inside the ground, which are covered by the layer of soil, at the downside of the soil they can't get the sufficient amount of oxygen. दैट्स व्हाट दे परफॉर्म सफिशिएंटली एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन। और वहाँ पे भी एक इक्वेशन बनता है दैट इज C6H12O6 गिव्स 2C2H5OH प्लस CO2 रिलीज। इसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज़ होता है एंड एनर्जी भी कम होती है। यही हम लोग घर में भी देखते हैं फर्मेंटेशन के बारे में। फर्मेंटेशन बहुत जगह पे यूज़ होता है, नॉट इवन अ हाउस, बट इट विल बी ऑल्सो यूज इन अल्कोहल फैमिली, अल्कोहल कंटेनिंग ग्रुप्स ऑल्सो, विच इज़ वाइन और बियर लाइक दैट। ब्रेवरेजेस आर ऑल्सो बीन प्रिपेयर्ड बाय दिस। अब हमारे घर में जो ब्रेड बनती है वो भी इसका ही एग्जाम्पल है। अब इसमें हम लोग समराइज़ करेंगे। यू राइट डाउन दिस पॉइंट। When plants or animals do not get sufficient oxygen, we have a plan B, anaerobic respiration. This is when glucose is broken down, process much less energy than aerobic respiration. In animals, it is produce lactic acid, which is harmful for our body too, as a byproduct, which causes muscle cramp, and it end up with oxygen debt, which I hope you understand this phenomenon. If you have a doubt, so ask in the comment box which is given below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please subscribe. After subscription, turn on the bell notification. Whenever I'll upload the video, you'll get the notification. Thank you.